Ay, no, no, no. Bebe Faith, no? Ala, mabasag mamaya niyang... Ay, don't touch the base. Naku po. Singing, go. O, B, E, D, I, N, C, E. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. I don't touch, don't touch. No, no, no. Don't touch. No, 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 no. Oh, let's go na nga. Let's go. Let's go. Go, picture kayo ni Bebe Faith. Dali. Okay. O, say cheers. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Cheers. Oo. Ay, nagalit. Ito sa may flower, anak ko. O, go. Sa may flower. O, go. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. Cheers. She's saying cheers. Hey, don't touch. Hey, don't touch. Picture kayo sa may flower. Ito, may isa pang flower. Ganda ng flower, oh. Sit down ka nga, David. Picturean kita sa flower.
I don't want to.
Oh, go, sit down. Ayan. Oh, ang ganda ng flower. Smile. Tingin ka kay mama. Bagong gising ang Kuya David. Oh, hug. Oh, picture ko kayo ni Bebe Faith. Oh, Bebe. Oh, hug, Bebe. Ayaw. Ala.
Papa do?
Huh? Ay, Bebe, no. Hey, shh. No.
I need to get
No. Huh? Eh, naku po. Kulit mo, Ay, tinanggal ang headband. Give it to mama. Picture tayo ni mama, dali. Picture tayo, David. Ay, aray ko.